Let's look at threshold based dropping. One of the ways of handling missing values is if a given row contains at least one missing value, you will drop the entire row. Now, this is true for datasets where you have a lot of observations in your dataset and only a few of them are missing, or it could be the case where the presence of missing data could indicate that that entire entry is invalid. In such cases, you might want to go for this approach. Now, the method to drop a given row from your dataset is easily done using the drop NA method. Doing this, all the rows, if it contains at least one missing value, will be dropped. Now, there might be a situation where you want to drop a row or a column, either of this. You want to drop a row only if that row contains, say, at least two missing values or at least five missing values. In such situations, you want to drop the entire row. This is also possible. This is easily done using the thresh argument, thresh parameter of drop NA. What you need to provide thresh is, you need to say what is the number of valid records that should be present in the data in that particular row in order for that row to be included. That is this. So here we are computing that number. If one missing value is present, we are going to drop it, or two missing values present, you can drop this. So this is how we do it. On running this, rows that contain at least one missing value or at most one missing value, it will be dropped. So that's how you can do it. Let's do a mini challenge based on this. Now from DF, drop columns that contain more than 10% missing values. The code to get your DF is based on the Titanic underscore missing.csv dataset. So think about how you would solve this. The solution is quite straightforward. Instead of just simply stating the threshold function, thresh function or thresh parameter, you need to specify the axis because we want to drop the entire column. This we want to work it based on columns rather than rows. Let's run this. So here we have lost certain columns, which is we have lost fair, we have lost age, sex. These columns we have lost from this because they are containing more than 10% missing values.